Hey everyone, Daniel from TwinBytes with another tutorial for you, and this time I'm going to show you how to make Google Chrome a lot more secure with a single button click, or a single feature at least. So you would see some window like this in a new tab after an update in Google Chrome, and it tells you what's new in Chrome. So in the latest version here, as of October 19th, 2024, if you scroll down, you're going to see some new features that they've got, and there's a security feature here at the bottom saying to get real-time protection against phishing and malware. And the big part of this is that it's powered by AI, and that's what gives it a lot more intelligence to do a better job, and it's constantly learning. So it tells you exactly where to go to turn this on, and I'm going to show you and explain a couple of features and something else that it doesn't tell you here that's important to know about. So up in the top right, we'll click the three dots, go down to settings. On the far left, go to privacy and security, and in the middle of the screen near the bottom is security. When you first go to this page, you're going to see standard protection is turned on by default. And what we want to do is click on enhanced, and it tells you what the features are, some of them, and what some things are to consider. Now, when it's on, it's going to warn you about sites that Google may not even know about yet. So that's the AI part of it, that it looks at the characteristics, and if it looks suspicious, then it may block it. And so it doesn't need to have an update to know, looking at a list of sites that it should block. It just looks at the characteristics and figures it out. So that's one of the best parts about this. One of the other cool things is that it warns you if you're trying to use a password that was compromised in a data breach, then it will tell you that you might not want to use that password. So that's really good information to have. So for those people that don't change their passwords often at all or drastically enough, then this will be a good option for you, or a good feature to let you know that you should try something else. Now, some things to consider is also that in order for the AI to work properly, they have to send information back to Google so that they can analyze it and make improvements. So you're not getting 100% privacy with this feature turned on, but they're not going to be looking at personal identifiable information. They're just going to be looking at the website that you visit and maybe a sample of page content, or downloads, extension activity, and other system information, whatever may help it to improve. So the only concerning thing is the sample of page content. What kind of content within the page are they getting? We don't really know that. So some people might not like that and rather risk it and just stay on the standard protection because they don't want any information going out there. But if you want to take advantage of this, you're going to have to be comfortable with sending information to Google so that they can do their job properly. And it links apparently across all your Google services on all your devices while signed into this same Google account. And it also doesn't noticeably slow down your computer or browser on your devices, which means computer, tablet, or phone. So one thing is that because this is so aggressive in this advanced protection, it may detect legitimate websites as a false positive. So that means it'll block it when it's supposed to be allowed. If in the meantime you have a problem with a website and it's not working and you're on enhanced protection, just go down to select standard protection again and put it back there. So in the meantime, this is giving you a lot better protection, and there will be similar options in Firefox and Edge and any other web browser that you should be able to find another option to improve or enhance the protection that's built in. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you did find it helpful. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Even better, give it a super thanks. And thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.